Hey guys, first thing, alhamdulillah, we're at our latest project, which is in prime central London, Notting Hill. We've started stripping this house out. I'm going to show you inside and then I'm going to take you around Kensington, Church Street and also Notting Hill, and we're going to see what this location is really like. Stage one is start stripping the house. This will be a kitchen, and once again, as part of the process, we've had to do a trial pit there. This allows us to see what the foundations are like for the structural engineers, and that will determine the steels and what we require. Let's have a look at the local surroundings of Notting Hill and Kensington Church Street. As soon as we exit, look at that beautiful pink house there. Another really nice green one here. This is all reminiscent of Notting Hill. You've probably seen the movie with Julia Roberts and Hugh Grant, and this is where it was based around. This is, once again, just so you know, it's Georgian architecture. A lovely people profile here, international crowd. Lots of money. Typically these houses here, they go for about 2.75 million, 3 million, and if it's done rightly, they just get snapped up very, very quickly. And now what's interesting about these houses is if you look at that front door, but if you look on the first floor, they've only got one window in the middle of that room. So our house has got two windows, and look how it changes on that one there. Would the house with the two windows plus four windows be worth more than this one here? Secondly, does that make a difference with the buyer profile in terms of their considerations when they're buying this house? And I'm going to just show you how close we are to the station, the high street, and we've got Portobello Road around the corner. When we bought this property, the station was key. There's a lot of local high street shops here. We've got Pret here, we've got some really nice restaurants. Just opposite there we've got Olivenstein, which is a deli bakery, a little bit high end. You go in there, you get a piece of cake and it costs you £5, but around here that's nothing, peanuts. Also we've got Paul's over here, and this gives you an idea of the people profile here. And then right here we've got the Central and District line and Notting Hill station. Up there, Kensington Church Street, walk down here. This takes us all the way down to Kensington, and on the other side of the park we've got Knightsbridge. Looking behind me, if I turn right there, we've got Bayswater, turn left, and we've got Shepherd's Bush. Now that building there, that red one there, I remember when I was in Singapore and that one sold for about £2,000 per square foot. A one-bedroom flat went for £1 million, and unfortunately the people that bought it didn't really understand the prices. And I don't think it's gone up in the last 8 years for a one-bedroom flat for £1 million. Question mark. Let me know what you guys think. Is a one-bedroom flat in this location worth £1 million? Let me know. Estate agent land. We've got Douglas and Gordon. We've got John D. Wood. We've got Savills on the corner. Savills, international agent. Understand your agents. John D. Wood. A local chain of agents. Douglas and Gordon is a local chain of agent, which is a little bit more corporate. So understanding the properties that they have, what fees they charge, and what the price point for certain properties is. So all we've done really there is walked around the block, and I've given you a little bit of an idea of how to identify a location, how to understand what the local price points are, what the local shops are like, what the people profiles like, what sort of money's around here. That's really important, and I think that's really the key. So hopefully you've picked up some useful tips, and once again here we are on a nice quiet residential street, and there she is, alhamdulillah.